Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started.
So in this tutorial, I'll be only teaching the chorus, and the video used as reference is this one. So the first 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's start from the pre-chorus, the last 8 counts. So we're going to start by staying in our place for 1, 2, 3, and on 4, take your left arm all the way out, doing the OK sign like this, 3 fingers out, 4, then on 5, 6, take it to your left eye, on 5, 6, hold it there, and on 7, 8, we're going to pause. So take your arms all the way up to your head, along with your right foot, up, and pause for 7, 8. So the song says, honestly, are you okay? Boom. Okay, so take your hand out, then to your eye, and pause. So after 7, 8, the first 8 counts are 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just ended on 7, 8. Now jump. Okay, so you're gonna jump and end up in this pose on 1. Jump, legs out. Take your index and middle finger out. So on 1, you're gonna take your fingers in and out, and also like lean forward. Okay, 1. Then on 2, you're gonna go. So for this part, take your hands to your mouth, both hands together, go into your mouth. Okay, and pose on 2. Take your hands to the left side, and while doing so, you're going to take your right knee in. So while you're taking your hands to the left, right knee is going in. Then take your hands back to the front, and your knees are back to normal. And then take your hands to the right side and take your left knee in. So it's 2 and 3 and you're gonna go 4, okay, back in. So 2 and 3 and 4. The beginning, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. After this, on 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 5, after 4, take your arms all the way out, okay, to the sides, 5, okay, and then bring your arms together on 6. So from here, take them down and put them like this together on 6, and then bring them up, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. While doing so, you're going to take your chest and move it into circles from left to right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. So 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 5 all together with the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. End up with your hands in front of your chest, more or less. Okay. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's repeat from the beginning, from the pre-chorus. Honestly, are you okay part? Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We ended up on 7, 8. From here, take your left leg in, take your palms up and look to the right side. So 1, 2. On 2, look to the right side. So 7, 8, 1, 2. Then on 3, you're going to look back to the front and take your left leg up. Okay? Knee up like this. So from 2, look back to the front on 3. Palms are still out. Then on 4, we're going to step left, right, and left. So they're stepping forward, but just step in your place, right, left, right. And after this part, on 7, 8, we're going to go 7, 8. So from here, after we stepped on with the left foot, take your right foot out. Okay, take your right foot out, bend it in, tilt your head to the left, and while doing this part, you're going to take your hands up and down. Okay, so your hands are going palms up and down. And when your hands go down, take your 2 index fingers out and point down. Okay, because it says like fingers. So fingers down. Okay, just 2 fingers down. So from stepping on 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from the beginning, after 7, 8, 1, 2, look, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, and 7. Pause and hold it here for 7, 8. Let's repeat one more time. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, look, step, 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 and pause. Okay, well done. This was the first half. Let's repeat one more time from the beginning. Okay, a quick recap of everything we just did right now. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pause. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Spread out, roll, roll, 8. 1, 2, look, step, 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 and pause.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so after 7, 8, the next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause on 7, 8. On 1, lean forward, arms up like this, legs separated on 1. Okay, 1, and then take your hands together on 2, 3, 4. So your hands are going to join together, like please sign, and then take your knees in, both of them. So 1, 2, 3. This is on, like this is slowly, 2, 3. Okay, like this, and like while doing so, tilt your head to the left side. Okay, slightly. So we did 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to go 5, 6. When we did this part, you're going to step with the right and left, pushing your hands to the right side. Like push, 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 push. Okay, to the right and to the right. While you're stepping on right, left. Okay, so from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so push, push, end up like this, and 7, 8. On 7, 8, take your hands down, and you're going to look to the right side. On 7, 8. Okay, this is what KATSEYE and ILLIT do. They look to the other member, but for example, the SSERAFIM, they just go like arms up on 7, 8, but I just prefer to just go 7, 8 and look to the right side. Okay, let's repeat this part. So after 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're almost done with the dance. After looking on 7, 8 to the right side, the next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So first, the lower body. You're going to step right, right, and look to the left side. So step with your right, okay, step with your right, once, twice, and on the third time, look to the left side. Your body is looking to the left side. Now for your hands, first, take your 2 index fingers and point to yourself. Okay, point to yourself, then point out. So 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, and then point with the right finger to your face like this, and your left index finger is pointing but is like next to your waist like this. So this is the shape we're doing. Form a box with your right arm and the left arm is just resting on your waist. Point to yourself, index fingers out, and pose. Okay, for this part there's much more movement, so take your chest and pump it in, okay, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The movement is 1, 2, 3, 4. With the legs, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like the song says, ah, 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 I. Okay, like when it's glitching with the I part, like pump your chest. Ah, 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 I. Okay, point to yourself, out, and pose. This is on 3. Then on 4, take your right arm out. When it says I am, take your right and also look to the front, okay? Look to the front while doing so. Take your right arm and take it out, okay? Move it backwards on I am, then iconic by mistake. When you take it out, bring it in 3 times on iconic by mistake. And while doing so, you're going to take your hips back, back, back. Okay, your right hip, move it in. Okay, so I am iconic by mistake. From the beginning, it will be I am iconic by mistake. Okay, one more time. I am iconic by mistake. Okay, this is on 7, 8. The next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After doing this part, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So before we did point to yourself, point out, and pose, but now stepping with the left foot, we're going to go chest, hands to your chest, and pump in 4 times and pose. So not pointing to yourself, but like touching your chest and pointing and stepping with the left foot. 1, 2, 3. But now the left arm is pointing to your face and the right arm, the right index fingers resting on top of our waist. Okay, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're pointing after doing I am, taking your left arm out, point back, I am iconic by mistake. So we did I am iconic by mistake, and your hips are going down, down, down. Okay, as we did before. So before it was 5, 6, 7, 8. I am iconic by mistake. One more time. I am iconic by mistake. And we end up here. This is the end of the chorus. Now let's recap this second half all together and then practice with the counts. Okay? If you want to also practice with music, you know it's on my shorts. I will also link it down in the description. After 7, 8, 1. Please and step. 1, 2, look to the right. I am iconic by mistake. I am iconic by mistake.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.